Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mary and today is a quick vlog of beach, restaurants, and construction that's happened this month, so stay tuned.
Tacos. Out here, it's all low tide, so we're just gonna like walk on the beach over there to find some little tacos. You just know.
You're literally going to be in waist deep water.
Yeah, but I can't be in waist deep. I have to be out of here before it gets waist deep.
Yeah, it's going to be over several hours that you're going to
Like, how far do we gotta go? Where that guy with the orange bucket is? Huh?
How far is it?
How far do we gotta walk out?
Where you see all that dark blue?
Oh. Bro, look how far he is. It's like a waist deep up till you get on that ledge. That's where he's planning on fishing. But it is nice today. Just like worried I'm gonna drop this thing. Which could be my bad because I shouldn't have brought it in the water. Whoops. Alright, wish me luck. I don't fall into the water. So I gotta head back because right at that edge over there is where the ocean water is, and it keeps pushing my body as I'm like trying to get closer to it. I know I'm gonna fall if I try to either get there or like on the way back down. So I just gotta leave our shit in the car. So I'm going all the way back there and then walking all the way back here again. But yeah, no footage from the ledge, just for the safety of this camera. So we're here. Harrison's gonna get a plate lunch, and I'm gonna get my favorite dessert here. Or maybe I'll try something different. I usually get the Tahitian Sweet Lady, but I heard Sweet Lady of Waiahole is good too. What do you think? Should I get the one that I usually get? Yeah, I don't think. Or I tasted it. I think I tasted it with Daniel. Daniel's in. Oh. Yeah, I guess so. I'll try the Sweet Lady then.
Can I get a combo of beef luau and chicken long rice, and then one sweet lady?
You want rice or rice?
Rice.
You have napkin? So this is my first time trying Sweet Lady. No, not Sweet Lady. It is? Is it Sweet Lady? Okay, Sweet Lady. I really like this ice cream though. Oh, oh no. Oh no. Oh! You're going wrong?
No.
Oh,
Marianne,
oh
what
shit!
are you doing? You literally just did the same thing, like.
I'm trying to get the warm stuff, that's why.
Okay, then put your spoon the other way.
It's like warmed kololo. It's like got a nice caramely flavor. Oops. Let me slurp out some of this ice cream. You want to try? You never tried this one too. Sorry, I got ice cream on your car. It's quite messy. Trying out a new beach. It's a secret spot. I can see the water. Like way nicer than Kailua. There's like way more sand. Where do we normally go? That way? Like the right side?
Where everyone does.
Yeah. Oh. That's the spot we usually go. Up there. More secluded secret spot. Looks like doo-doo.
Good
plate, patika, beef luau, chicken long rice.
Some good tasting doo-doo.
Some good tasting doo-doo. I thought you never used to like that before. Luau?
No.
No? You always did?
Yep. You never used to like it.
I'm still on the fence. I feel like sometimes I like it, sometimes I don't. Let's try some of this. Where's the beef?
On the bottom, you just gotta find it.
Oh. Good. I didn't get any beef though. Oh, there it is. Oh yeah. Try the long rice. Delicious. Oh no! Today is hair wash day, so I'm gonna dunk my hair in the water. I gotta be careful to not get my phone wet. Hair's going in. They're installing the kitchen floor tile right over here, so they're like finishing that up. And basically all our stuff is like pushed way to the back, but all the paint downstairs is done too. And they were nice enough to paint our little like laundry drawer. I was gonna do it, but like they ended up doing it for me. So that's pretty nice that they finished that for me. Let me just give you a quick look so far what it looks like, and then I'll show you guys what the finished living room slash kitchen is gonna look like. We're trying this one, and then Harrison got his own like special juice. What other stuff do they have on here? Ooh, this one looks really good too. Bruh, not even fresh mango, just the juice. What's going on? They're making Harrison's juice right now. Got it. Let me do the first sip. Tastes very healthy, but like a natural soup. What's in here?
Ginger, apple, carrots, and beets.
How's mine? What? It's good. It literally, well, I mean, you don't like coconut. I like coconut. It tastes literally like the dessert. Mango sticky rice dessert.
What a mindless follower.
It's the marketing. I got influenced. It is cute.
It is, however, though. It tastes delicious.
Would I get it again? Nah. I feel like I could make a better one at home. After I saw that they were using just like juice from the bottle for the mango, it's probably like puree mango juice. I could make this at home. Well, I'm kind of talking to you and to me, but I have to say, like, I wouldn't get this again because it has that like protein, like gritty texture to it. Like, I don't know because if it's like all melted down or what, but it has something in it. I think I remember like the girl that collaborated this smoothie, 5 Foot Foodie, she said that there's like a collagen powder in here, and there is like a powdery kind of gritty texture in here that I'm not really liking. So yeah, save your money. It's not worth it. We're gonna freshen up this door for the washer dryer. It's like this right now. I have some Swiss coffee from like the painters, the extra, and Harrison's out buying the track at City Mill because we got the wrong size earlier. So let's get started. This is the door right now. That's the like, hi. That's the like dingy cream color, and then we're gonna do Swiss coffee to just, I don't know, freshen it up. got our appliances coming in. Yeah, only because when I called, they said it normally doesn't have water. But like this one, they're cutting the countertop. I got this delivered to me on Sunday. It still had some water in here. Like, it was just damp on the bottom right here. The seal just kind of looked like this when we got it. To me, it doesn't really look brand new, other than it had like some of like the protective film for the dishwasher. But we're gonna try run it and see if, you know, it works properly. Yeah, I saw. Coffee with milk or matcha? Fuji matcha from Kyoto. I'll try this. Oh, there it is.
Good. How are you?
Hi. Oh. Hi. Will you let me pet you? Will you let me pet you? No? Is that a no? Hi, Oakley.
Excuse me.
Yep.
I'm gonna get to her other leg.
Hi, girl.
She's a super sweet girl. All right. Now, do you know how to get on? She's very tall.
Mom, you're riding his mom. Oh. Yeah, we've had him since he was a baby. He was born with us. Everybody ready? You want a picture of the group?
Oh, nice. No, I got French toast. We're at the Byodo-in Temple. I haven't been here in years. Busy today. Let's get some fish food. Got some duckies here.
The babies, like, what the hell?
Is that a baby?
Yeah.
Oh, they're scrapping. Oh, I gotta be careful not to fall in. Come here.
Come on, Lady.
Oh, come here. Usually, what? Oh shit! Wait, where is he? Try one more time. Oh shit! There are these black swans that swim here, but we didn't see any today. Shoots. I'm gonna take a picture of them. Okay, let's see. Oh, ready? 1, 2, 3. What is it? We're at this store called Jones Warehouse, and they have like some knockoff versions of like name brand perfumes. This one reminds me of Burberry. And then this one is probably a Paris Hilton knockoff. This one reminds me of Chanel. This one looks like YSL, like, I forget the name, but the YSL one. And then this one is the Lancome one, La Vie something. This is like Victor and Rolf. And then we have a couple more here. Like this one reminds me of like Rio de Janeiro. I decided to get it. It was good. I have a little sample. I think I'm gonna get the Aunty and a sour cream flavor. I ended up getting the Volcano. It's their bestseller, and then I got the sour cream, but I added a little butter too. So that's one of them over there. And then she's making the other one with the sour cream. Thank you so much! Look how big these are. They're so big.
Hey, guess what? You made it to the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!